In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the superior labial vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The superior labial vein is located on each side of the face. If we take a closer look at the veins on the right lateral view of the head and neck, we can see highlighted in red the superior labial vein. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates from the midline of the upper portion of the orbicularis oris muscle, which forms the upper lip. If we take a closer look at the anterior view of the orbicularis oris muscle, we can see highlighted in red the location this vein originates from. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs laterally across the upper lip. This vein ends by merging with and draining into the facial vein. The facial vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the upper lip and nasal septum to the facial vein on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the superior labial vein.